Hi students, a very good morning. In the last class, we have learned how to create blogs by using WordPress.com. Now, as long as we have internet connection, it is very easy to create blogs. But what if the internet connection is not working or if the network is very slow? Then how do we go on with updating the blogs or trying to publish something? So as I already told you in the last week, we have to regularly update our blogs which we have created. So in case suppose there's an internet connection problem, then how do we overcome this problem? So this is done through something called offline blog editors. So today our topic is offline blog editors. What is offline blog editors? An offline blog editor is an amazing tool for bloggers because it lets us create blog posts without an internet connection. So without an internet connection also you can create your blog post. It lets us to create, edit and format our content before we upload it to our website. Then if we have an internet connection, we can publish the post directly to our blogs. See, it is not that without internet connection you can publish your blog. Only thing is you can work on your blog, you can create it, you can edit it, you can also see the content, try to create, upload the relevant images and videos supporting to your blog and all that can be done without the internet. You can just keep all these things ready in the offline blog editor, and once your internet connection is ready, or you then once the network is back to its normal speed, you can publish this post. So you can always keep your blogs ready. Most popular offline blog editors are Blogdesk, which works on Windows background, Windows operating system, Windows Live Writer, this is also on the Windows operating system, and then we have Cumana, it works on Windows as well as Mac operating system, and then we have Scriptfire and Thingama blog. So these are the popular offline blog editors. So today in our class we are going to learn about Windows Live Writer. According to your syllabus, you also have to check with Cumana also. So that is what is your assignment going to be. We are going to learn about Windows Live Writer. You have to find out about Cumana. Now what are the advantages of offline blog editor? We have a backup copy of our post on the hard drive, so it's available on the hard drive on our local computer, so you can always have a backup copy. Suppose just in case you miss out or it is again disabled, still you can have these blogs available in your hard drive, so that later it can be shared with your friends whoever wishes it. They are faster than the online blogs. Why? Because we don't need internet connection until we are ready with the publishing. So once we are ready with the publishing only, like with the blog only, then we need to publish, so we can work out easily. So what happens is, suppose our internet connection goes down, or the host side, wherever we are trying to host this blog, the server is got down there. So what happens, it takes some time to upload things like images and all. So but once you are offline, what happens, you can be ready, and once the net is ready you can just upload it. So it's easier and faster than the online blog editor. It also makes a difference in post speed because it does not need the internet. So what happens is, we don't have to wait for our browsers to load or our blogging software to open. See, once the internet is there, you might be seeing the buffering happening, slowly the software will open, and it will take some time. Since everything is done on our local computer, the only time we have to wait is for internet connection is to when we need to publish. So the other things are done offline, so it's very easy. Already the offline blog editors will have their own libraries of images and videos and all, which you can use it to create your blog. Only time when you need internet is when you have to publish the blog, and that is easy. Once it is ready, it is very easy to upload. It provides facility to add images, videos and link easily. It helps to publish multiple blogs quickly, as it is easier to switch from one blog to another. So what happens is, we don't have to log in and log out of various accounts multiple times. We can just keep all our blogs ready, and whichever account you want to upload, you can just open and upload the blog. You don't have to switch from one login to other login. It lets us post our article directly to our blog or post as a draft. So you can directly post it as a blog, or you can post it as a draft also. So this is the advantages of the offline blog editor. Now let us see what is Windows Live Writer. Windows Live Writer is a Windows compatible and owned by Microsoft. It is Windows compatible and it is owned by which company? Microsoft. It is also completely free. It is rich in features and very easy to use. We can even add enhanced functionality with free Windows Live Writer plugins. So it's very easy to use, and also you can improve the functionality by using the plugins. As I told you, whenever you need to add additional features, you have to make use of the plugins. And the platform which supports these Windows Live Writers are WordPress, Blogger, TypePad, Mobile Type, Live Journals, and many other. The next offline blog editor is BlogDesk. BlogDesk is also free and can be used on Windows as our offline blog editor. It is what you see is what you get. So as you're typing, whatever you see is what is that you will be able to display it on the blog. It is not like what you see is not what is visible on the blog. We can clearly see what our post will look like when we are done editing it. It is supported by WordPress, Mobile Type, Drupal, Serendipity, and Expression Engine. Cumana. Cumana is for Windows and Mac computers. It works with most common blogging application. It is integrated feature that makes it very easy to add advertising to your blog post. So suppose you, as I told you, you take blogging as a profession, you would also expect income. So this Cumana also has an integrated feature for adding advertisement to your blog, so that as you know, when you have advertisement, automatically the money income earned will also be shared with you. So the platform is supported by Cumana is Blogger, WordPress, Blogger again, TypePad. All these are the platform which supports this particular offline blog editor. Now, Microsoft Windows Live Writer. Windows Live Writer, that is WLW, is a blog publishing application developed by Microsoft. It is compatible with WordPress.com. I think you remember last time we have learned how to create a blog using the WordPress.com, giving our users an easy and convenient way to manage and compose their blog post. Windows Live Writer has many features that make blog writing a breeze. So this Windows Live Writer has many features which makes it easier. It is very similar to the online. So you will have all the features available. You can just do everything offline, and once the internet connection is ready, you can simply publish the blog. The features of Microsoft Windows Live Writer: add multiple blog from different accounts. We can add multiple blogs, and as I told you, what you see is what you get. Editor to give us an instant preview of our blog post using our current theme. So once you apply a theme, how does it look like? You don't have to see the preview. You can simply see whatever you're applying can be visible easily, and that is what is also published in the blog also. Supports built-in image editor and post scheduling. So you have inbuilt image editor where you can edit your images, and also you can also, as I told you, publishing at a particular date on a calendar, you can just fix all that is also possible. Ability to add images and control size and placement. So where exactly you want, how much size you want, all that flexibility also is provided. Videos can be uploaded via YouTube. Category and author management is also possible. Extensible features through plugins. As I told you, you can extend the features of your already existing Windows Live Writer abilities through plugins. Now, how do you do it? So you have this URL, http download.cnet.com Windows Live Essential, this one. Once you click on this, you will see this window. You can just click on this download now, and once you click on that, it will give you the .exe file, w8setup.all.exe. You have to click on it, and once you click on it, you will see the Windows Essential 2012. The version of this Windows Live Writer is to 2012. So you can just upload it. Even I think 2014 also is available now. So once you install it, you have to configure it. So you have to go to Start, All Programs, Windows Live, and then go for Windows Live Writer. So here, once you click on that, you have this agreement where you have to accept it, and then next. So it will be configuring the Windows Live Writer, and just click on next. you have to see what blog service do you use. WordPress, SharePoint, or any other services. What is the platform you want to use to create a blog, and then click next. You have to add your web address of your blog which you've created. So say, as I told you, once you should have already a blog created. To that blog, if you want to add new post, and there is a problem with the internet, then you can use these offline blog editors to create your new post of your blog and then add it. So you have to give a username and password, then click next. So setting up your blog account. So once you click on that, the setup will be created for your blog account and your blog has been set up. So you have to give your blog nickname. As I told you, once you are creating the blog, you'll have your nickname, and once you give your blog name, you can click on finish. This is the way you install, configure, and the Windows Live Writer, which is an offline blog editor. So next we are going to see how to create a post using these offline blog editors.